Legal concerns take center stage as the Supreme Court hears arguments on the trial of civilians accused in the May 9 violence. Advocate Faisal Siddiqui insists that due process must be followed before handing over accused individuals to military authorities. Appearing before the Supreme Court's Constitutional Bench on Wednesday, Advocate Faisal Siddiqui argued that the transfer of civilians to military courts violated multiple legal provisions, including Section 549 of the Criminal Procedure Code, Section 594 of the Pakistan Army Act 1952 and key sections of the Anti-Terrorism Act 1997. He maintained that such actions also breach Article 9 and 10A of the Constitution, which ensure the right to a fair trial. The Supreme Court is currently reviewing intra-court appeals against its October 23, 2023 ruling, which nullified military trials of civilians in connection with the May 9 attacks on army installations. The case is being heard by a 7-judge constitutional bench led by Justice Aminuddin Khan. During proceedings, Siddiqui stressed that the accused must be formally charged before being transferred to military courts. Failure to do so, he argued, renders the transfer illegal. He further pointed out that the court could declare such trials unlawful without entirely striking down relevant sections of the Pakistan Army Act. Justice Jamal Khan Mandokhel noted that if formal charges were framed, the accused should have the right to appeal before the High Court. Justice Musarrat Hilali added that charges are typically framed after an investigation is completed and a challan is submitted. Siddiqui also highlighted that multiple justices on the Supreme Court's 5-member bench had ruled against military trials of civilians in their October 2023 verdict. He concluded that trying civilians under the Pakistan Army Act in conjunction with the Official Secrets Act is legally flawed and unconstitutional, as it deprives them of fundamental rights. He urged the court to transfer all trials of civilian accused from military courts to general and special criminal courts, emphasizing that the key issue is determining the appropriate forum for such cases, not the allegations of criminality. With legal complexities unfolding, all eyes remain on the Supreme Court as it deliberates the fate of these trials.